Something's answering. Woof.
Recycler fans sound normal. No, that's not right. The pulse is off. I need to isolate the anomaly.
Everything looks fine here. No obvious failures? Woof. Yeah, I think the problem's outside, Lucky. Let's check the feeds. Did you hear that? Woof. It's coming back. The signal isn't ours. Something's bouncing it back. Woof. Good boy, Lucky. Now, calculate the trajectory to the glint. We're on a path. Still warped. Let's try the ridge. All right, let's see what we need from here. We found the ridge, Aiden. Okay, these markers will do the job.
I'm early.
They read clearly. Let's get them loaded.
The glint is tight enough. This will prove the ridge path. Excellent. Adding it to the kit now.
There, I felt that. So it's reflecting off the structure? It has to be. Something outside aligns with this. Look. Pulse sent. Listening for return. Clean. It's working. Angles shifting. Geometry's drifting. Hurry. Sample blade, mirror, route case. All check out for the signal trace. Bark, bark. Good boy, let's go. Space for dust, foreign metal, and a hard return. Lucky, what's he doing? He's early. Not the crest. This lower flank, see? Right here, hides us. Got it, side slope. C station, but hidden. Ready? All right, seals checked, joints clear. Visor looks good. Mission parameters established. Let's make it count. Load is secure. Good job, Aiden.
Good job.
Thanks, Lucky. Now you watch the comms while I suit up. Okay, send, wait, listen. Ready, Lucky? Woof. All right, gloves sealed. Let's see how they move. You've got this. You'll hold this. Good boy. Check it. Verified. Let's go. All right, Lucky, one more check. That's it. See you soon. Time to start the way home. The memory is set. Let's make this official.
Kaidens, I'm detecting an anomaly in the data stream. Copy that, Lucky. The anomaly persists out here.
Keep it slow. Stay wide of the hollows. Glints on the ridge. Watch the alignment. Did you see that flare? Hold. Source or trap?
Pulse timing shifted. Position is altering the path. Understood.
Relaying the change. Checking the shelf edge for crust lines. And the ridge face. Nothing matches yet. This lower route looks more plausible.
Stake 2 set. Visibility is good, confirming signal strength. Reading a clean 5 by. Test burst initiated. Checking for reply.
Weak return from the left. Reorienting.
The return lands stronger. Did you feel that? Faint knock, station body, confirmed. Moving towards lower flank. The surface looks deceptively smooth. Proceed with extreme caution. Slow, measured approach.
Analyzing soil integrity. Slight advance detected. Potential subsurface void. Disengaging. Confirmed. Proceed on foot.
Analyzing. Signal sent. Waiting for return. Echo from offset space. Bounced. Not the middle.
The tremor just overlapped the reflection. What if it's more than just the ridge?
The edges are too precise. This isn't natural. Controlled excavation is needed, and a marker. Holds firm. This was installed. It doesn't shift at all. Checking the base now.
The pulse coincides with being low near the object. Understood. Focusing on the buried mast.
I'm ready, Lucky. Send the pulse. Pulse sent. Check.
Failed. Adjusting mirror.
Sending. Signal return.
Delayed and broken.
Longer than expected. It's a relay point.
The lag is longer, and the pulse matches the structural knock. There's a chain reaching past the mast. But this is only a partial answer, Cadence. Prepare for that.
The break pattern looks violent and old, still keyed in. I need to be careful. Digging deeper might expose unstable hollow space under the crust.
The crust just went.
Copy that. Assess structural integrity of the wheel's ground contact.
Sink line stopped at the excavation, but it's hollow underneath. The rear wheels are losing grip. Stay calm, I'll brace it. No, the ground can't take it, pulling back.
No change. The hidden void remains active.
The mast cannot be excavated deeper today.
Another flash, definitely not from here. Matches the reflection angle perfectly. This mast is just a diversion.
Receiving a stable signal. Confirming channel clear. Initiating test sequence.
Sending. Nothing directly. Prepare for the 2-bounce test. Aidens, angle the mirror toward the mast. I've got a read.
Angles achieved. Burst sending. Confirmation. It bends.
Theory overturned. Negative. The geometry redirects energy. This isn't the source. I'm marking it as a misleading node. Prepare to probe farther east. 6th stake placed. Angle adjusted. Beam locked.
Ready to test.
Initiating scan.
No direct return detected. Blocked.
Advancing to investigate.
The broken mast is a false guide. There's something larger out there, beyond the ridge.
Inconsistent, not the suit. Something is out there.
The pattern suggests multiple sources, uneven edges. The crust ahead sounds thin and brittle. Warning, the next advance on foot will be risky.
Caution over immediate pursuit.
Trying the deeper section?
Negative.
Mass check. Response. Okay, still blocked forward. One last perimeter pass. Tap, pause. Not simultaneous.
Incoming.
Explain now.
Yes, explain the delay.
The 6th stake is gone. The chain is broken. Returning to the last marker.
The markers are unstable. Comms remain active. Situation critical. Engage return protocols.
Analyzing soil crust density. Potential traction here. Relocating cargo to balance load.
All right, small pulses. Don't want to dig it deeper. Checking bite. Looks good. Climbing slowly. Solid ground. Now let's retreat.
Return pulse is weakening.
I'm pulling away now.
And no hull tremor.
Does that confirm it?
Yes, it does.
Fourth stake marked. Tracking the chain, one flash at a time. Hab 1 remains invisible.
Rover, recentering now. There's the stake. Okay. Heading to the lower lane.
Stake confirmed. Hab 1, faint but visible. Route clear.
Rover, this is Lucky. You copy?
Copy.
Solid copy, Lucky. We're approaching the inner hatch. We've got the data, but the path is unstable. No celebration? Not yet. Head to recovery. Analyze the sample. The color mismatch is definitive. It's not Hab 1 hardware. Secure the sample.
Notice how the recovered sample and glove dust are distinctly colder and more silvery.
Yes. The physical evidence reinforces the deeper structure hypothesis.
All right. There. We can rebuild the root.
Woof. I think that was it.
Just a moment.
Faint hull knock, speaker hiss, fan hum, glove rub.
The mast fragment's distorted reflection matches our field tests. This proves it could bend the signal, just not control it. That means the signal was a decoy. Hab 1 to mast, mast to hidden bend to something farther east. Matches the echo profile exactly. What was once built out there. Sending now. Let's see if it comes back. Copy that. Still alive. Good work, Lucky. Come on. Anything. There. Way out. Beyond the ridge. I see it. The danger zone. Right there. The mast. It's the point of misdirection and hazard.
Tap weight, tap weight. Match that sway. There. The lag is constant. Confirmed. The structure is solid.
I don't think we can fix the ridge tonight. Whimper. We have to be patient. Still so much left to do.
Yeah. We better log this quickly.
The anomaly persisted. Logging the day.
Pulse, glint, mast, false path, deeper flash.
The evidence now tells a coherent sequence of discovery and correction. I am ready to record the diary. We thought the ridge would restore contact, but the field proof shows the mast just bent the root. This diary becomes a disciplined correction. The answer is beyond the bend. The flash. It's the same. Farther east.
Must be the wreck.
There it is. Just like before.
Yes. The sixth stake. Beyond that, the dust took it all. Tomorrow we extend the route. We found the signal bender today, but not the path home. Not yet. Something's here. Did you hear that?
Pulse is weaker, but cleaner. Geometric shifting? Something's out there. Farther structure is active.
The ridge didn't answer Earth. It answered with a broken reflector pointing towards something deeper. There is a larger network out there.
The bend where the dust erased the root, it matches the mast anomaly. This overlap must be recorded now. Does it match?
The glint is cleaner.
Yes, you see it too. Structure.
I think we got it. Yes. Passive geometry is still answering. No EVA tonight. Not tonight. We wait for daylight.
The night pulses are cleaner here. Yes, much thinner and stable. No sun glare noise now.
Not the mirror. It's the tube. Let's reorder the sequence. The pulse calls, but the ground won't hold. Not yet.
The gap is essential. Did you see that? The wall trembled.
still there.
Not an accident, then. Matches the night return to a path.
Extends beyond the broken mast.
This is a misleading end piece, not a destination.
The residue remains visually distinct. It continues to point east, beyond the ridge bend, and beyond current station history.
Something outside may have been built to bend signals long before this sol.
The arc fits. Multiple bends. A deeper network. Evidence of error. Verified. Not salvation. I've got it. That's thinner, but cleaner.
No, it was a side deflection. Hull knock pattern matches the offset.
A missing intermediate surface. He suggests that it may lie beyond the bend. There it is. Consistent. Woof. Good dog. The network's back. All right, let's lock this in.
Did you see that? It moved.
I heard it too.
Still there.
No.
Guess documentation comes first tonight.
The mast was only the last exposed piece of a path already broken before I found it.
The blade is clipped. No digging until reevaluation.
Copy that, Aiden.
Evidence for more than one, beyond the ridge. Preserved caution.
The connection is drifting.
Check the alignment.
It's changing. The network isn't static.
Following pulse cleaner than the last clustered returns. Did you hear that? Yes, that was it.
No. It belongs here. This is bigger than we thought. This changes everything.
The second marker is down. We need a safer route extension for the next sol. We'll be cautious.
The day never found a way home, only a reason the morning signal kept coming back wrong.
All right, Lucky. This layout makes sense now.
Rough.
Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear that? I heard it faint. We're not alone out here.
All right, Lucky. Locked on. Sol's objective acquired. Time to log it.
Tomorrow isn't about rescuing the window. We're tracing the line the mast bent. We've just made first contact with infrastructure, not with Earth. Pulse is stronger. Confirmed. Alignment achieved. The position of the mast definitively corroborates the seismic data from the Sol. The correlation is statistically significant. The ridge never answered Earth directly. It answered by showing where an older path still catches and bends. The chain is still alive. The final thought holds. Tomorrow begins beyond the mast. Oof. We'll find it.
The hull just answered with a knock. And that is not Earth, it's something else.